Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you unable to process payment on Shopify and Stripe Fix. So basically if you're facing this issue, majority of the dropshipper they face this kind of issue when they are not from USA and trying to sell or dropship their product into United States. So there are several ways to fix this issue which I have mentioned here. Make sure you follow these steps one by one, and if that helpful, make sure to like this video. So first of all, check account status. Ensure both Shopify and Stripe account are active and not suspended. So basically you have to make a separate account for the Shopify and Stripe, and make sure you just check into that. You have to log in into both the platforms to verify account status, and also check that whether your Stripe account is connected with your Shopify or not. If it complies with everything, move to the next stage, which is verify payment settings. On Shopify, you have to go to the settings and payment, which you will find on the left side. In the bottom you will find settings, and then you can move to the payment. Ensure Stripe is set up correctly and active. On Stripe, ensure API keys are correctly entered into Shopify. Verify Stripe is connected properly to your Shopify store. So you have to check on from the both side. Now check the API keys. So basically make sure the live API keys from Stripe are correctly entered into the Shopify. If you have enter incorrectly, then Shopify and Stripe will not get connected and you won't be able to transact the purchases. So review account configuration. So ensure no issue with the currency settings, because if you're trying to sell a product in USA, make sure your currency is US, not your country currency, right? Or account configuration in both Shopify and Stripe. Basically in the Stripe, when you make an account, you also get a choose to option that what should be your currency. So make sure it's USD. Test transaction, perform a test transaction to identify specific errors. In Shopify, you can always do a test purchase to verify that whether it's working properly or not. If that test transaction is getting failed, it means you need to follow all these steps above which I have mentioned, and make sure you comply with each and every steps. Now update the software, ensure both Shopify and Stripe plugin or software up to date, which will be usually, this is very rare issue. And the last thing is clear cache. If there is a problem in your browser, if your browser is not able to load the current latest website, right? So these are the solution. If you still don't find a solution, then there's only one solution, which you have to contact Shopify and Stripe support for assistance. I hope you really found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.